Hi guys, today we're looking at exercise 5G, which is where we're going to look at inverses. So the first thing we want to do is find the inverse of the function r, maps to r, f of x equals e to the x plus 2. We want to state the domain and range of the inverse function also. So y equals e to the x plus 2. Remember, when you want to find the inverse, all you have to do is swap the x and y around. So x equals e to the y plus 2. E to the y equals x minus 2. We then want y on its own. So remember, we take the e and put it as a log. So log e x minus 2. We've just gotten rid of that indice for the y. Or we've just gotten rid of the base of the y. So we get y on its own there. That's what we want. So y equals log e x minus 2. So f of negative 1 of x, it's important to state this, it's the inverse function, equals log e x minus 2. The domain is 2 to infinity, and the range is r. Remember, the domain of the original function is the range of the inverse function. Moving on from there, let's rewrite the equation y equals 2 log e x plus 3 with x as the subject. So there it is there, y equals 2 log e x plus 3. Let's get x on its own by taking the positive 3 and making it y minus 3 and then dividing by 2. So log e x equals y minus 3 over 2. X is therefore e to the power of y minus 3 over 2. It looks awkward there, but that's all we have to do. We now want to find the inverse of the function f of x equals 2 log e x minus 1 plus 3 and state the domain and range of the inverse. Let's rearrange so that we get x equals 2 log e y minus 1 plus 3. I've just swapped over my x and y values there. No rearranging at all at this stage. X minus 3 equals 2 log e y minus 1. We divide by 2 on both sides, so x minus 3 over 2 equals log e y minus 1. I want 1 to get the log e away, so I have e to the power of x minus 3 on 2 equals y minus 1, and then I just have to add 1 on both sides, leaving me with y equals e to the power of x minus 3 on 2 plus 1. The domain is r, and the range is 1 to infinity. I know that the range is 1 to infinity because the domain of my original function was 1 to infinity. And that maps onto r, so my domain becomes r. And that's all we have to do.